channel. Today, I will be doing a food haul. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung mga napamili namin kahapon. Well, obviously, hindi ito lahat ng pinamili namin. Pero ito yung mga pagkain na I chose for myself. Though, hindi ako nagbayad nito kasi si mama yung nagbabayad ng mga groceries namin. I will go ahead and show you guys. First thing I have in here are potatoes. Because I saw this recipe online na parang gusto kong gayahin. So, I got potatoes like that. 4 na pieces, 90 pesos. Ang mahal. And then, we also got Dutch Mill. This one is strawberry. This one is, 4 mixed berries juice. Sobrang yayamers nitong mga to. See, nawala na yung isa kasi ito yung ininom ko kanina after lunch. But, yeah, that's yummers. And then, we also got this Nissin Waffle Deluxe. I don't actually eat this. Si Marlon pumili na to. Kung hindi nyo pa alam, I'm not really like a big chocolate person, so I don't really care about that. And then, bumili din kami nitong butter coconut biscuits. Sobrang yummers nito. Like, you know, just to snack on. This one is another yummers. Eggnog cookies. Sobrang yummers din nito. So, we got that. And then you guys, it is back. I picked this up. Otap. This is the shamrock. This is what I had with my coffee this morning for breakfast. And yeah, it's so good. Kaya lang hindi ako nakabili ng cream cheese kasi naubusan na sila ng cream cheese. And then I also got in here White King arroz caldo with real ginger and rice. I'm pretty sure I have tried this before, but I didn't like it. And now I'm giving it another chance. Sana this time I will like it. Isa lang yung binili ko na to. And then, bumili din kami ng champorado. It has real cocoa and malagkit rice up to 10 bowls. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-champorado or mag-arroz caldo from scratch. Hindi ako marunong magluto. Nakakaloka ako. And then I picked up this preserved fruits. This is in papaya. Hindi ko nabasa tong papaya when I picked this up. So, hindi ko alam na papaya lang pala to. Akala ko maraming fruits like mixed fruits. Hindi pala, papaya lang pala. Anyway, just a healthy snack, I guess. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-try, obviously. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. That's that. Okay, last things are chips, you guys. Oh my gosh, this haul is really freaking short. I got chips! Yes! If you know me, I love chips. Oh yes. So I got cracklings, V-Cup. I love V-Cup. And you guys, this is my favorite chips of all. This is the Oishi potato chips. Super yummers nito. Ito na yung pinaka-yummers na potato chips na na-try ko. Local brand ha. Bonggang-bongga. You need to try this, you guys. If you're a big chips fan, I highly recommend you guys give this a try. This is the plain salted flavor. Kung hindi lang ako busog ngayon, kakainin ko yan. But I'm so busog eh. Kakatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch. But you guys, that's my food haul. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video. I would love to do more. We do grocery shopping like siguro mga once every 2 weeks, sometimes every week. Depende lang talaga yan. It all depends. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Do not forget, be good. I will see you on my next one. Do not forget, what? Hi guys! Rhaze here! Thank you so much for... What? Thank you so much! Nag-closing spill ka na, hindi ka pa nagsisimula. Nakakaloka.